All right, here we go. Good-ish. It's not quite the Morphe continuous setting spray, but for this type of pump, it wasn't too bad. Okay. Close your eye before you spritz. Hi everyone, I'm Wago Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wago stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what is in the May 2021 Eyescream Beauty bag, then you're in the right place, and keep on watching. Okay, so this will be my second and sadly last Eyescream Beauty bag unboxing. I get so many subscriptions. It's a little pricey. The bag is $12.50, but with tax and shipping and handling is not included, it's $17.75. Doesn't sound like a lot of money, but for $25 you can get some really good products from Ipsy, BoxyCharm, and other beauty subscriptions. So I'm just gonna let this one go. I'd rather spend that money on add-ons. Yes, if you haven't seen it yet, I did a massive add-on sale haul video, which I will link in the eye above. As I explained, I have the Eyescream Beauty bag. They also have a $24.95 a month subscription where the shipping and handling is included. Maybe in the future I'll give it a try, but as I explained before, I have so many subscriptions where, you know, do I really need so much extra makeup and skincare? All right, this does come with a little card with pricing, so that is good. And this is confirmed. It is the month of May. All right, first item we have from Amor. It's called Makeup Fix, which is a natural finish setting spray. Oh, I wish subscription boxes would send setting sprays more than they do. I've received a couple, but not as many as one would probably like to receive. Okay, interesting. The packaging, I don't know, it looks nostalgic to me. It reminds me of, I don't know, Mary Kay Cosmetics from the 60s. Let's take the plastic off and see how good or bad the spritzer is. Okay, it looks the type that's like you get on a little hairspray. Ooh, seems fine-ish. Sometimes these spritzers are good. Sometimes you get the little random globule. It does have a scent of nothing in particular. All right, here we go. Good-ish. It's not quite the Morphe continuous setting spray, but for this type of pump, it wasn't too bad. Okay. Close your eye before you spritz. The setting spray retails for $10, which for the size, Wet n Wild has a lovely one that's like $4.99. All right, moving along to the next item. Woo, that is quite the pink. Bubblegum Barbie pink. What are you? Are you lip or eye? All right, this is a liquid lipstick. Okay, thought it might be for the eye. Oh, this is also from the same brand, Amor or Amorous. On this product, there was a hyphen, so it looked like Amor Us. Here, it's all one word, Amorous. Okay, and it is a matte 24-hour lipstick. All right, I am probably never going to wear this shade, but I'm curious. Let's do a swatch, and then, you know, I might even put it on my face. Looks like it's going to be metallic-y, but comes with a standard doe foot. Whoa. Oh my God. Okay, so what you see in the bottle is nothing like what it is on my hand. Just for shiatsu puppies and giggles, I'm going to put some on my face because I already swatched it and OMG. Comment down below if you wear a shade like this or know someone who does. And how do you get away with that? All right, here we go. Okay. I'm only going to do my bottom lip, purse it around. She be pink. She also smells a little chemically with like a hint of like sugary scent to kind of mask or attempt to mask the chemically scent, but you know, I can still kind of taste that chemically scent or yeah, chemicals. Okay, well, I don't even know what to say about that product. Let's find out how much that bad boy costs. $8. Okay, so if anyone wants a look like this, $8 can get you there. All right, next item. Oh, I went out of order. Okay, well, here we have what I presume will be a lip pencil, and this is from Italia, and it's an ultra fine lip liner in the shade Dusty Rose. So let's just put it right next to that lip product. Oh, it's a lovely color. Does not go with that at all. So I'm just going to put the lid on and tell you that it costs $6. All right, moving along to the last product, which is a palette. You do in the Eyescream Beauty, both the bag and the larger $24 box, you'll always get a palette. All right, so what is this? Ooh, this is called Wanted by Trend Beauty. Is that the same Trend Beauty where you get like subscription boxes? Not subscription, like the Trend Beauty box? Or is it just called Trend Beauty? Let me know down below. I didn't realize if it is that they do stuff like this. And this is $20. Let's see what the color story. Oh, interesting. I thought it would have like 6 shadows. It does not. It actually has 12. And it's a very lovely color story. Reminds me of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance. Same kind of shades, you know, some rosy, some shimmers. Lovely. Okay, and it does come with a mirror. Interesting. I'm not sure with the fake wood. In the lettering reminds me of like a Western. The shades do not. I'm glad I canceled this. But it was fun to try while I did the full 2 boxes. I'm going to list on the screen the grand total of everything that came in this box. And let me know your thoughts below. What I do like about this, you do get more makeup. I got all makeup or makeup related products. Setting sprays, makeup, not skincare. Well, is it skincare? I consider it makeup. Whereas, you know, other boxes you tend to get more skincare. These are interesting brands. They're a little more affordable brands. Is this color growing on me? Oh my god, don't tell me I like a Barbie doll pink. or bubble gum. What would you call it? Barbie doll or bubble gum? It is a little sticky. It doesn't feel sticky per se until I purse my lips, and then it kind of, you know, I've had worse sticky. But, all right, there you go. So, thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. If you haven't done so yet, I would love for you to subscribe. For those who have, thank you. Make sure you click the bell icon so that you can get notified of future videos. And you see this guy right down here? Yeah, that one right there. It looks like this. And, you know, if you just click it, it doesn't cost you a thing, but it really does help me out. So, thank you so much for stopping by. All right, thanks, everyone.